A new stage of training for Kazan 2013 volunteers has been recently held within the confines of the preparation for the Kazan Cup International U18 water polo tournament. The course consists of 4 modules. The volunteers went through orientation and general training in the Olympic Sports Complex, where got general information about the common event, and also the opportunity to work on main volunteers' competences such as stress, communication skills, proactivity, organization and common out. Next were the instruction and training on the venue. Their motivation and willingness to the difficult work is important for us. It only seems that volunteers' functions are easy, but it isn't so. A great responsibility lies with the volunteer, because he presents not only himself but all the volunteers. There was also held a training of the volunteers taking part in the World University Canoe Sprint Championship. The general volunteers training within the confines of the preparation for the 27th World Summer Universiade begins since January 2013. But one can be trained remotely now. The course is named e-learning. Candidates for volunteers can learn the detailed information of the university, volunteers' activity and the sports submitted at the games. It will be useful particularly for non-resident volunteers. On the 5th and 20th date of every month, the candidates get the information in their private offices. The first unit is named U. They can learn about the university from it. The second unit is aimed at personal skills. The remote training e-learning is available for all the candidates for volunteers who is registered on the site www.makeyourreal.kazan2013.com. Irina Igarenko, Kamil Ismail, special for Kazan2013.com.